Hello everyone, in today's video, I'll guide you through the process of installing Python onto popular operating systems, Windows and Mac OS. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced programmer, setting up Python is a crucial first step before you can start coding and exploring its vast critical system. So let's start with installing Python on Windows. First, head over the official Python website at python.org. Open the browser, python.org. So you see this. So we click on download. So the latest version is 3.12. It's stable versions here. So click on the window installers 64-bit. Click on it to download. After download successfully, we click on it to install. You see this? An installation wizard will run when you double click on the installation application that you obtain from the official website as seen. And you see this? In order to add Python interpreter to the Windows system path environment variable, first make sure you to check add Python h.h to path. Check it even if you do not understand it. Second, make sure you use to use admin privilege when installing Python.h. In order to gain administrator privilege during the installation process, it's advised that you check it. And next, we choose the customize installation to initialize the installation. So since it's a professional choice, you to be one using install now in our advice. And the installation procedure will next act to verify necessary optional feature any which can be selected at this point. Keep in mind that item 2 is Python package management prep. This one. Okay. We can assist us installing third-party tools and libraries. Click next to go to the following website. The choice of one option comes next. Here I advise you to select pre-compiled standard library and add Python environment variable. Yes. Pre-compiled standard library and add Python variables. Okay. Associate file with Python, click shortcut install application. We can automatically configure environment variable with the aid of format. The later will pre-compile the standard library, saving you the trouble of compiling at runtime. Once more, just wise things up. It does not matter if you do not understand. It's highly advised that you enter a custom route in the customize install location field below. Here. You see this? There should not be any spaces or other special character on this path. You will avoid great deal and needless hassle. If you take it into the consideration, click install to run installation after setting are finished. Okay, once the installation process successfully, the screen will come up with successfully setup was successfully. It's the crucial term for successfully installation. It will raise the fail in the event that the installation unsuccessfully. Once the installation is finished, you may verify it if it was successful by opening the PowerShell or Windows command line prompt, entering, okay, prompt cmd, and we have this as Python, entering Python data version. We have the Python version. It's a 3.12.3 only. Just be with uppercase. Yeah. This command looks up the Python interpreter version number configuration. Congratulations, and the Python environment has been installed successfully. If you see screen and it appears like I did. Here is the advice to see if pip, a Python package management tool, is present. So pip setup versions. Yeah, version. We have pip 24.0. It presents only pip. Yeah. different. You know that it is possible that the Windows system is lacking some dynamic link library files or the required build-ins. If the installation process reports an error or alerts you that it failed, to fix it, as in the screen, you can download from the Visual Studio 2022 built-in from the Microsoft official website. Visual uh, download this link. Okay, for the Visual Studio 2022 built-in to function, internet must be available from this tool for Visual Studios. Built-in for Visual and download it. Installing Python environment on macOS is easier. A PKZ file is the installation package that we downloaded from the official website. So first we download it from the official website. Okay, this is download. Choose latest version. And we choose the macOS Universal Installer. You download it. And then after download successfully, we double click on it. Next, next, next. Yeah, agree. Set. Enter the password. Okay, so okay, after successfully installation, you may verify it was successful by entering the command in the macOS terminal. Open the terminal. Okay, so yeah, terminal, and check to see if the command Python 3 data version. You'll see is 3.11.8. Correct. You can check with pip package management versions. Yeah, pip 24.0. So I illustrate the installation on Windows on Mac OS after that. Thank you for your watching.